Explore Brunswick County, North Carolina, probate and pre-probate leads offered by leadcruncher.com. Probate or pre-probate leads. Which one is right for you as a realtor or investor? If you've ever thought that every inheritance property must be sold through probate court proceedings, you're in for a surprise. Today, we'll compare two sets of data that could transform your real estate strategy. Realtors, investors, and wholesalers have historically leveraged probate properties in Brunswick County, North Carolina, as exclusive real estate opportunities before they became publicly available. Today, you can find these records at probateleads.com, but there is more to inheritance properties, as I further explain. With advances in research, successorsdata.com was developed to cross-check obituaries and identify estates with real estate, even before probate proceedings might occur. By utilizing both sets of leads, you can close the loop tracking properties that require title transfer through probate using successorsdata.com. Knowing whether a decedent owned real estate and how the title was held helps you pinpoint estates that might need probate to sell. These leads allow professionals to connect with motivated sellers and estate executors in the case of probateleads.com, or with successor trustees for estates sold without probate. This dual approach provides access to below-market properties often overlooked by competitors. Understanding probate and pre-probate leads. Understanding probate and pre-probate leads is essential for identifying estates that do not require probate. These leads allow for faster sales without the need for court confirmation, giving you an advantage in securing high-value deals. How probate leads are generated. Probateleads.com. Researchers at probateleads.com analyzed probate court filings in Brunswick County, North Carolina, to identify estates that include real estate, ensuring the decedent owned the property. Notably, 40% of probate cases do not have real estate attached, meaning the decedent was a tenant, and heirs are probating personal assets such as stocks, mutual funds, or bank accounts. Advertisement. The extracted data focuses exclusively on estates with real estate and provides comprehensive details, such as decedent's name and associated property, contact information for the executor or administrator, including phone numbers when available, attorney involvement if applicable. Additionally, the extracted data includes estates with various types of real estate, such as residential properties, commercial buildings, vacant land, industrial buildings. This data provides direct access to estate representatives before the properties are sold or transferred, streamlining the identification of transferable assets. Pre-probate leads, also known as successors data. Successorsdata.com. For over 15 years, researchers at successorsdata.com have been cross-checking over 10,000 obituaries daily nationwide to identify real estates. They aim to help you connect with these estates, even the 30% that require probate before your competitors. Their extensive database includes 3.2 million inheritance properties nationwide pending sale or title transfer, with new properties added weekly. The extracted online data includes decedent's name, property, and mailing address. Property specifics, including type, lot size, year built, and assessed value. Links to the decedent's obituary. Self-help tools such as online mail merge, skip tracing for phone numbers and emails, and a triple dialer. This information simplifies access to critical estate-related data and streamlines communication. Key insights for realtors and investors from successorsdata.com. The passing of an individual does not always require their heirs to file probate to sell or transfer property titles. The need for probate depends on how the title was held. Here are some key insights. 30% of heirs with real estate must file probate due to the lack of a living trust. 30% of probate properties are sold by surviving spouses, typically aged 78+, bypassing probate. 40% of inherited homes transfer through living trusts, avoiding probate court and attorney fees. Why focus on Brunswick County, North Carolina? Brunswick County offers hidden investment gems, with probate properties often selling below market value. Whether you specialize in wholesale real estate, property flipping, or long-term investments, these probate or inheritance leads provide direct access to motivated sellers for high-return opportunities. How LeadCruncher.com simplifies the process. At LeadCruncher.com, we make it easier than ever to access and utilize probate and inheritance lead data by consolidating information from probateleads.com and successorsdata.com into one streamlined platform. Advertisement. Our services include exclusive access to probate and inheritance properties before they hit the MLS, efficient lead organization and validation for improved conversions, advanced tools, including skip tracing and address verification, to connect with motivated sellers. Want to access Brunswick County's top probate and inheritance leads? Get started today at leadcruncher.com. Local real estate and legal experts specializing in probate sales. Realtors and brokers. Josh V. Realty, Probate Realtor, Brunswick County, North Carolina 415-839-7120. Probate Real Estate Agents and Brokers, Brunswick County, North Carolina 510-364-6686. Brenda Villikens, CPRES Probate Specialist, Brunswick County, North Carolina 408-828-2020. Attorneys specializing in probate and estate planning. Brunswick County Courthouse 910-253-3900. North Carolina Judicial Branch, Estates, Probate Legal Resources. U.S. Probate Leads, Brunswick County, NC, Residential Probate Listings. Essential tools for realtors and investors. IQDial.com, triple line dialer for real estate outreach and follow-ups. SuccessorsData.com, nationwide inheritance property listings. ProbateLeads.com, verified probate records with actionable insights. PostcardCity.com, targeted marketing tools for probate real estate professionals. Free expired listing tracker app, identify and track expired listings using your own MLS data. Meet Maury Abel, founder of LeadCruncher.com. With over 30 years of experience in real estate investing, Maury Abel built LeadCruncher.com to provide data-driven probate lead management tools tailored for realtors and investors. His commitment to market research and innovation ensures professionals can effectively identify, connect, and close probate real estate deals. Contact Maury at LeadCruncher.com today at 909-315-5330.